how to exchange coins to points in Poppo Live and Cashout. So if you want to exchange coins to points in Poppo Live and Cashout, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Poppo Live application. After opening your Poppo Live, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and from the profile you will have an option of points trading. So you need to scroll down and then find the points trading option. Here you can just simply tap on the points option, or you can also go with coins or points, whichever option you have. So if you want to exchange coins to points, then you need to go with your coins. Under your coins, as you can see that in my case I don't have any coins, but if you have your coins, then you will have an option to exchange coins for your points. You can tap on exchange. So if you have some amount of your coins, then you just need to simply go with the exchange or customize section. You can tap on customize and then enter the coins amount that you would like to exchange. After entering your amount, you'll have a verification code. You need to just enter the verification code. After entering, you can tap on exchange coins and your coins will be exchanged to points. You can go with the points section and you'll be able to see your points right here. That's how you can exchange your coins to points in Poppo Live and Cashout. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.